Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly who rewatched your Snapchat stories. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the Snapchat app here, and if you've posted any kind of story that you want to know who rewatched it, say who's really interested in it and wants to see it again. Snapchat gives you the ability to see that information. And to do that, we're going to tap on our profile icon at the very top left here. And then at the very top right, you can see that gear icon. And we'll tap on the gear icon. And you can see right under email is Snapchat Plus. And this is a feature that's only available to Snapchat Plus. So we'll tap on that. And it basically says choose a subscription. You can do 1 month, 6 months, or 12 months, or at the very bottom, you can just start a 7-day free trial. So you won't have to pay anything if you cancel within those 7 days. And it will give you a sneak peek on what these features allow you to do. But at the very top here, it says learn more, so we can tap on that. And then you see about midway down there is story rewatch indicator. So I can tap on that, and it'll show us exactly what we can get with this Snapchat Plus subscription. And you can see I can go on here, and this gives you an example where I can see on my story here. I can't really zoom into this, won't let me zoom in, but you can see that little icon is how many times it's been viewed. The next symbol is how many times it's been screenshotted. And then the last indicator is those 2 eyes. And that's how many times it's been rewatched by different people. So you can see here just in this example, it's been rewatched by 2 different people. So you can go here. It'll walk you through all of the different things that you can use this for. And it will give you an example of how you can see exactly who rewatched your Snapchat stories. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.